Welcome to Ricky's Historical Tidbits. This is a very short history of the Tower Bridge in Sacramento, California. Enjoy. Bridges are built for a purpose, and when that purpose changes, many times the bridge is rebuilt. Case in point, the M Street Bridge. Originally built for a train and wagons, soon cars were traveling over it more often and crashing into the train. Part of the New Deal under FDR was to rebuild it. When the Tower Bridge was built, it had 2 lanes for cars, and the middle lane was for trains, which had a barrier on either side. In the 60s, the tracks were taken out, and it became 4 lanes for cars. The bridge was originally painted silver, and the concrete pillars were painted blue. In the mid-70s, it was painted yellow, and then in 2001, a city vote took place to repaint the bridge. The vote was gold. The next coat is to be around 2030. My name is Ricky, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this brief historical tidbit.